Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete images in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner, press on the three dots there and press on delete images. You can select the images that you want to delete, and after that you can just press on the deletion symbol and press on allow. And all of those pictures will be deleted from the application. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.